Empowering Futures, it's about empowering young people, specifically those that are in NEET, not in education, employment or training. Age ranges that we work with are between 17 and 21. What we do predominantly is make sure that they are ready in regards to next step options, whether that be getting an apprenticeship, whether that be finding employment, whether that be looking at another course. So the main goal is just to support them and help them along their journey. And right now, as with many people, they are not sure what they want to do. So working with us, Empowering Futures, we do things like workshops, we do things like interview preps, we sit down with them making sure that they have things like CVs, making sure that they are ready to present themselves in the best format possible.
I've had the absolute privilege of working with the Derby College Group Empowering Futures team, and they've come up with concepts to get them ready for this digital age. They've developed podcasts, ideas for apps, business ventures, and ways to raise money for charity and support good causes.
I joined the Empowering Futures and I was hoping to get into A-level so I can pursue medicine. I got into the A-levels for Chesterfield College because of the Empowering Futures. I definitely would recommend it to everyone who doesn't really know what they want to pursue. If you do this program, you'll be able to see the options that you have and the people will be able to help you.
I have gained new skills being first aid and confidence speaking to others. Before this course I had no idea what I was going to do after. I now know that after the course I will become a personal trainer. I would definitely recommend it to others as it was a great course and it has helped me through a lot.
I have to say it's been an absolute joy working with some fantastic young people. So a massive thank you to Empowering Futures and the Derby College Group for having me in, and a massive, massive well done to the learners I've worked with.
So ultimately, this course is really about helping you in the long term. And if you think that this course can help you, please do get in touch. We're here, we're happy to help.